Houston, we have a problem. This wheel is making a crunchy sound as it rotates, and it shouldn't. There's not a lot to see, just listen. As I rotate the wheel, that's the crunchy sound, and it makes it both ways. Come on in closer maybe. And again, yeah, this is for listening, not a whole lot to see. Okay, so that's the crunchy sound. What's causing it is inside the hub, the rolling elements are dirty and or dry. The bicycle has been used in atrocious weather conditions in the Pacific Northwest for the last little bit of neglect. 5,200 kilometers, has not been taken apart ever. It's way past due for reassembly and relubrication and cleaning out the whole hub. So it's making this crunchy sound. 360 if I rotate the wheel fully around, but you will also hear the freewheeling ratchet click 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 engaging. So besides crunchy, so it's both crunchy and clicking. So as is, it's not really affecting, as you can see, the rotation of the wheel. It doesn't seem to be slowing it down too much, but of course in cycling every little extra friction that shouldn't be there matters. And of course the rolling elements wear excessively. If I rotate the wheel backwards, it's crunchy backwards as well. But as soon as the drivetrain engages, the chain moves and the pedal rotates, that's gonna cancel out the crunchy sounds. So it's audible in this range and silent here. Okay, so this is just the hub, the wheel rotating on the hub. So when you take it apart, this is what you're gonna roughly see. So you're gonna have your cassette, you have to pull out the hub or the axle from the hub, and you will find roughly some kind of an axle that has a threaded part in it. You will find a set of two cones. These components are called cones because there's a little conical surface on it on which rolling elements, bearing balls of whatever size, rotate, and as the bearing balls rotate on both of these cones, that's what's making this crunchy sound. So needs to be taken apart, cleaned out, relubricated, reassembled. It's not rocket science. I'm going to include how this work is done in this video's description box below, so that's why you find the link to take a look at what's inside and how it's done.